Today, I'm going to show you how to access your vault on Revolut in 2025 step by step. Whether you're saving for a tip, an emergency fund, or just want to organize your money better, Revolut's vault features make it super simple. First, open the Revolut app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look up at the list above and tap on the vault. Now, from the vault page, you'll see a section labeled Create Vault. Go ahead and tap on it to create a new vault. Here, you'll either see a list of your existing vaults, or if you haven't created one yet, Revolut will prompt you to set up your first vault. Vaults are basically digital savings pockets. You can set goals, run out spare change, or make scheduled transfers. To access a specific vault, just tap on it. You'll now see the vault's details. If you want to add money, just tap the vault and choose the amount and source. And that's it. That's how easy it is to access and manage your vaults on Revolut in 2025.